Let us continue chapter number 6 of computer. It's part 3, sorry, not 7. Chapter 6. Drawing an object and grouping outline with. When we make a drawing in Flash, it creates two objects, the fill and the outline. When we are drawing any object in a Flash, it shows two things. One is the fill and the outline. To manipulate element as a single object, we need to group them. If you want to just make them single, you have to just group them. It will be like this, selecting a smooth mode of pencil. Now select the pencil tool and select brown as the stroke color and fill color. Now just what do? Select the pencil tool and select brown as the stroke color and fill color. Draw the stem as shown in the adjoining figure. Just draw the figure using like this. Choose the selection tool and move the pointer on the tree trunk. A curve is displayed below the arrow. Hold down the mouse left button, drag the line to a proper shape like this. Drag it to make it a perfect. Select the pencil tool and choose the smooth mode from the option selection. Now select the pencil tool and select the smooth mode from the option section. Select green as a stroke color and fill color. Now just select green and the stroke color and fill color. And draw the curve of the tree top. Just draw the curve of the tree top. Select the paint button bucket tool and click inside the tree top. Similarly, fill brown color in the stem. Just fill brown color in the stem like this. Select the selection tool and double click on the tree top. Drag the tree top over the tree trunk. Just drag it and your image will be like this. Choose the selection tool and then select the tree by dragging them. In this way you will be able to create, using the fill color and stroke color, you will be able to draw the outline and you will be able to fill the color. Now next is applying gradient fill. How to apply the gradient fill? Gradient means filling color to an object from light to dark. That basically gives shade to an object or a color formed by mixing two or more color in an object. What is gradient? Gradient means when we are mixing the color. In short, we can say it is a mixing of color, filling colors in an object from light to dark. That basically gives shade to an object. It gives shade to an object or a color formed by mixing of two of them. Select the tree in the selection tool. Just let us take the example of your previous section also. Select the tree and select the paint bucket tool. Just use the paint bucket tool. Click the fill color drop down arrow to get the color palette. Just click on the fill color drop down arrow to get the color palette. Select the adjacent effect and click inside the object. The gradient color fill appears. See, this type of option will come in your screen. This is when we are trying to mixing the two colors. We want to mix two color and produce the effect. Then this gradient fill option is used in Flash. Now, creating a new gradient. Flash can create a number of paint effect in addition to solid color. A part of the solid color, there are number of paint effect which can be added in a Flash. Gradients are made of two or more color that gradually fade into each other. Actually, gradients, what are gradients? They are made up of two or more colors that gradually fade into each other. They can be used to give depth to an object or create realistic shadow. They can be used to give depth to an object or create realistic shadow. Two gradient modes are available, linear and radial. Two gradient modes are available, linear and radial. Linear gradient are made of parallel bands of color. Linear gradients are made of parallel bands of color. Radial gradient radiate from center focal point. Both can be added for color alpha and position within or fill or stroke. Both can be edited for color alpha and position within a fill or stroke. You can add up to 16 color. We can add up to 16 color to a gradient. Precisely control the location of the gradient focal point and apply other parameters. A gradient behaves like any other fill or stroke. It can be saved to the palette as a swatch using the color mixer panel option and added to other shape with the paint bucket tool. What we are doing here, class, simply we are just mixing two or more colors and we are saving them. We can use currently in our figure and we can also save it for further also, that we can use them as per the requirement. Now create a multicolor gradient. Now see, suppose we want to multicolor gradient. With the selection tool, select the fill or stroke of shape on the stage like this. This is fun. This is example 3 color linear gradient. You can see the difference. In the color mixer panel, click the fill style type pop up and click linear to radial. Just select here. Type linear to radial, select to one. Click the overflow pop up and then click extend, default, reflect, repeat to control color. Now overflow, you can either give the option extend, reflect or repeat to control color. Paste the limit of the gradient while publishing for flash color. You can just change the color in this way. Position the pointer on the gradient bar to display a plus sign next to the pointer. Like this. Click on the gradient bar to create a color proxy indicated by a little box with a triangle on the top. The different three colors are RCG, RGB. R for red color, G for green color, B for blue color. It means we are just creating the color which is being mixed by using these three color. Now click one of the color proxy indicator to select it. Click a new color from the color picture above. Drag the color proxy indicator along the gradient bar to adjust the color placement. Repeat step 4 to 8 to add to a 4 more gradient color. Now you can add 4 to 8 more to add 15 more gradient